Hey, welcome back to YT Finance, and this is the channel where I went to business school so you didn't need to, and today we are talking about the best penny stocks that could potentially make you a millionaire. Just read the title, 10 penny stocks that will make you a millionaire. However, I'm honest enough to say could potentially make you a millionaire, because who knows where the stock price is headed for any of these companies, let alone the stock market in the future. No one can predict that, so always make sure to do your own research, and remember that penny stocks are very attractive for investors who are looking to get into the stock market without breaking the bank, but also remember that they are very risky. These are high risk, high reward plays, and I only personally own one of these penny stocks in my personal portfolio. So always make sure to do your own research and don't over allocate and spend too much money on these speculative stocks, even though they have incredible long-term financial returns that could potentially make you a millionaire. We even have one stock on this list that is worth around $3 but could be worth higher than $100 per share. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. The first stock we have on our list is ticker symbol ZVIA, which trades for $4.64. This company is an American beverage company that develops as well as distributes various carbonated and non-carbonated beverages throughout North America, with the exclusion of Mexico. So that means this company sells sodas, energy drinks, teas, various mixer drinks, as well as kids beverages, and of course sparkling water. So what's so special about this company? Well, their low-end share price is only $3.50 and their high-end share price is $8. This means that investors could potentially, in a very short amount of time, almost double their money on this particular stock. They also released pretty decent third quarter financial results where they beat their earnings per share by 4 cents per share, which is pretty big in terms of their EPS. And the company also brought in around $44.24 million worth of revenue, which is not bad for a penny stock. But let me tell you, this is literally the least impressive company on this list. Just wait until we get further down into the list, where we talk about stocks that could surge by hundreds and even thousands of %, making you potentially a millionaire according to this article. The next company we have is Trilogy Metals Inc, ticker symbol TMQ. Right now, this company trades for just 56 cents, while professionals believe at minimum the company is worth $1.50 and at maximum could surge up to $2.50. That means potentially the company could triple what you put into it in the next 12 months. If you're not familiar with Trilogy Metals, this company explores as well as develops various mineral properties around the United States. A national bank analyst even revised a price target for this company, lowering their price target from $1.35 down to $1.15. However, even if we take this $1.15 price target, clearly the stock could more than double, thus maximizing your overall returns in a very short amount of time. Right now, the current company is set to perform with their general sector, and we even have a quote from one of their advocators, which says, "Trilogy Metals Inc. has one of the highest grade resource deposits in the world, packed with 159 million pounds of copper, 199 pounds of zinc, 33 million pounds of lead, 3 million ounces of silver, and 30,600 ounces of gold," end quote. And this is for a company that's just trading for 56 cents per share. So why not put in a speculative investment into this overall company? But again, make sure to do your own research. These are extremely risky growth companies that are trading for very cheap valuations. So once you make some profits on these companies, make sure you cash in those profits before they go back down. But that's just my personal opinion. The next company is a rather beloved company by many investors named Matterport Inc, ticker symbol MTTR. This company currently trades for $2.72. However, experts in this field believe the company could surge as high as $12. Matterport is one of those metaverse stocks because they are very innovative in their overall 3D data capture and visualization technology, which is a company that's based over in California. Essentially, this company has technology that can enter a room, take pictures of the room, and then upload to make a perfect 3D image of that particular space. This capture technology solution can digitalize three-dimensional spaces. So essentially, you could go on tours of various buildings or companies or houses that you've never even been into, and you can do this all from just your laptop. The company's technology is used in a variety of different ways and industries. For instance, it's used in real estate, architecture, engineering and construction, tourism and hospitality, retail, as well as media and entertainment. So this is a very versatile company that's trading for very cheap, and experts are normally pretty bullish about where this company could be in the future, especially if we see some other metaverse stocks start to get some momentum behind them. A Deutsche Bank analyst, which is a very prestigious institution, recently updated their price target on Matterport to $5 from $7. However, they did maintain a buy rating, but that's not all. This is where we get into some very good companies. The next stock we're going to talk about has a ticker symbol that is ABSI, and it trades for $2.43, while bullish investors believe this company could surge up to $14. And even bearish negative investors believe this company is undervalued right now because it should be worth somewhere around $3 according to their overall financials. If you're not familiar with this company, this is a drug discovery company that provides biologic drug candidates and production cell lines. So essentially, they're a company that is creating very innovative drugs to help the overall public, and that should be saluted. The company reported strong results to where they brought in revenue for the most recent quarter for the company of $2.37 million, which would equate to a growth rate of 53.93%. To put this into perspective, if you find a company that has a CAGR or compounding annual growth rate over a 30% CAGR, that company is rapidly growing. And now we see a company that has a 53.93% increase as of their third quarter earnings report when compared to the year prior. So this clearly outperformed Wall Street's consensus estimates for what the company was supposed to bring in revenue, to where Wall Street projected that they should only have brought in around $0.5 million, but instead they brought in $2.37 million. They had a huge earnings beat, which reflected very positively in their overall share price. So that's why investors believe this company could surge up to $14. Yet we still have another company that's even better. Unity Biotechnology Inc., ticker symbol UBX, currently trades for $3.36. Now, with that being said, the company has the potential, according to professionals, to surge to, get a load of this, $120. And even if we take the worst case bearish scenario, the company should be trading at around $10, which is substantially higher than the share's current price. So, what's the deal with Unity Biotechnology Inc? What do they do? Well, this company is a clinical stage biotechnology company that focuses on developing various therapeutics that slow or halt or even reverse diseases that are associated with aging. Essentially, your body wears out over time. You have various genetic defects that eventually lead to your overall demise, but this company is trying to be able to reverse that. In one sense, this technology reminds me of ticker symbol DNA, to where this company is trying to program cells in the same way that you could program computers, except this company is using this type of technology to slow, halt, or even reverse various diseases that we get or become susceptible to as we age. Essentially, this is going to increase the longevity of how long people could live. So, what's the buzz around this company? Well, the company potentially has the opportunity to disrupt the entire healthcare industry, and right now it's just a penny stock. So for investors who identify this company early, make an investment such as $100. If they hold that investment without selling, no matter how low the share price goes, potentially this company could make them a millionaire. Just think about it. Imagine if this company was, say, I don't know, $4, and the company surges to $120. That's around a 30x increase, or a 30 times increase. So if I invest 100, I could get back 3,000. If I invest $1,000, I could get back $30,000. So the math on this is absolutely insane. Now remember, these are risky, singular, penny stock growth companies that are extremely high risk of not working out over the long term. These are newer companies, very low market cap, haven't necessarily proven themselves yet, so you are taking on a giant gamble, and for me, I am a long-term investor. But the best part about this particular stock is that a Wedbush analyst, again, a very prestigious institution, raised their price target on a Unity Biotechnology from $4 all the way up to $36. And they also maintained an outperform rating to where these shares could outperform their overall industry and the broader stock market as a whole. And remember, we've only been through around 5 companies as of right now, and in part 2 of this video, I will be going over 5 other penny stocks that could potentially make you a millionaire. But again, always make sure to do your own research. Don't over-allocate yourself to risky singular growth companies such as these. Practice proper risk management, and remember to have fun with it, and don't spend money that you need. Only invest money that you are willing to lose. And with that being said, go ahead and smash that like button right now, comment your thoughts down below, subscribe if you are new, and I will see you in the next YT video.